If you want to know how to copy Tinkercad circuits, whether it's just a single component or an entire project, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest ways to duplicate your circuit in Tinkercad so you can save time, make backups, or create a version 2 of your design without starting from scratch. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, let's cover how to copy components inside a circuit. This is useful when you only want to duplicate one part, like a resistor, LED, sensor, or even several items at once. To do this, simply select the component or components you want to copy, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. That copies the selected parts. After that, press Ctrl+V to paste them into your circuit. You can move the copied parts wherever you want after pasting. Another quick method is using the duplicate shortcut. Select the component you want, then press Ctrl+D. This creates an exact copy right on top of the original, which is really helpful when you want to fast duplicate without using the clipboard. From there, you can drag the new copy into place. You can also use the toolbar at the top left of the Tinkercad editor. Look for the copy and paste icons there. These buttons do the same thing and can be easier if you prefer clicking instead of using keyboard shortcuts. Now let's move on to copying an entire Tinkercad circuit project. This is the best option if you want to make a backup, create a new version, or reuse the whole design for a different experiment. First, click the Tinkercad logo in the top left corner to go back to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, find the circuit you want to duplicate. Hover over the project thumbnail and then click the Options or gear icon in the top right corner of that circuit card. A menu will appear and from there select Duplicate. Tinkercad will create a full copy of the entire circuit project, including the layout and components, so you can edit the new version without changing the original. This is perfect when you want to keep one design safe while testing ideas in another copy. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy selected components, use Ctrl+D to duplicate items instantly, or use the duplicate option from your dashboard to copy the whole circuit project. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Tinkercad tips, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.